That's a big verse.
No, come out.
Save some of it. Now we can talk about it on my YouTube channel. You hear me? Save some space so we can get the grand finale.
When's the grand finale?
They bang them all off. Yeah, when they bang them all off. Remember the ends of the last one we watched?
It's the good ones. It's normally the good ones. Get out! Wait, when did you just want to finish them off?
Yeah, just stop it now and we'll get them in.